Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to recover recently deleted photos on iPhone. So to do that is really simple. You have just to go to Photos, and after that on the bottom of the screen click on Collections. Scroll down here until you find Utilities. Under it you will find a file called Deleted. Click on it. It will ask for Face ID or password, and after it opens you have just to go to the picture or the video that you want to recover. Long press on it, and after that choose Recover. And now when you go back to library you will find it. There is only one advice that I should tell you, that sometimes when you recover the picture or the video and you can't find it, maybe it's because the file or the video is in the hidden folder, because sometimes when you delete a picture or a video from the hidden file and you recover it, it will be back to the hidden file. So if you can't find your video or your picture, try to look in the hidden folder, and probably you will find it there. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.